And all the vendors to the house.
Yeah. Invest in your looks. Oh boy. I don't know, but I just wanted to come around and start off this vlog. Yes. I just finished from work. I came out with my husband and I was supposed to meet him up somewhere. We'll go home together. Then I go take off this hair, do my nails because I have a wedding coming up. But I just wanted to say this and drop this here. How would you be looking at me lustfully? I don't understand. The rings, you know, see them. You need to invest in yourself. Look good. So when you come out, even when you're not looking up put together, I know we have plenty. Because I'm just wearing random polo and shorts. But the guy was just looking because the skin was skinny. Understand? I don't know. Don't mind me because I was just trying to show small skin and you understand? And another thing, let me even come to the business that I am here. I came to meet up with my husband. How will I tell this man of where I go on my solo dates? And he has discovered that place and he's here, and I told him I'm going to come and meet him, and I'm here, so let's go and meet him. I just meet him and question him. Whenever I finish this hair today, I will finish. So I was supposed to go lose this hair, weave it for a week because I have a wedding on Saturday, to fix my nails, do my lashes. But these lashes, I don't know whether I can be able to do this. If I'm not able to fix it, I will just do the normal strip lashes when as man and question him, what are you doing here? We'll look for another location. Let me carry my bag. And go. What are you doing? What are you doing here? Eh? You're not serious?
This one I'm not you choose
Nature, I don't fetch anything. Your money costly. According to my mom, and I'm at home, meaning you define work, you don't find the work, and now you want to run away. Working class. This is currently 6:58 or 700. That's 7 p.m. ish, and the girl is exhausted. This is a Friday, and the Friday is not Friday at all. Tomorrow I have a wedding. I've already done my nails. Tomorrow I'll go do my lashes, paint my toenails. I'm doing my makeup myself. And the weekend is about to be late. Yeah, I said what I said. Yes, I'm going to shake off this lateness. I'm going to shake off the stress of the week, the stress of. I think this is This is officially my first wedding of the year. Let's see whether I'm going to slay or not. Will I slay? We'll find.
What is doing? I will play it, then it will come by itself.
This wedding was just a catch up with me and my babe, and it was my friend's best friend's wedding. They came all the way from Canada. They came down to do their traditional wedding and white wedding. I had a time was had. Let me just put it that way. A good time was had. Cause tell me why I danced. This is officially. Let me even start by introducing myself. This is just officially the first wedding of the year I've been to. Aside the fact that I'm a drink vendor, you guys all know. The groom's family, they gave us a warm welcome. As in they came in with the vibe. Ayagaya, Iggy, Ayagaya, Bumbo. Yes, that was the vibe. They came with the hall, the wedding, everything was just giving everything needed to give and more. It was just screaming beauty, beauty, and luxury at the same time. Oh shit, this is the bride's entrance. They came in the normal traditional way, pair by pair, and it was good. Everything was good. It was everything and more. The dance, to me, they were not just giving me that dance that I wanted. I was like, Chica, get up from your seat. I'm gonna show them how to dance. But I couldn't just do it because I was just still the moment. I was still the moment to myself. If you understand what I mean. In my mind, like, you guys are bridesmaids. Why are you doing it? And, like, it was just my babe that was just giving it to us. Classy. As in, she was just doing that bougie. I will give it to you. I will take it back. I will give it. And I'm like, okay. At least somebody is giving us something. So yeah, that was it. The wedding was good. The bride was looking so beautiful. Everybody's makeup. Oh, obviously it's a Nigerian wedding, so everything has to be put together. The hair, good hair. The hair was laid to perfection. The makeup, the decor, the DJ. Oh wow, the DJ was everything and more. DJ Calvin, he's the best. He's the best in PH. Go and ask of him. And the bride was just giving, now American Wonder dance, and the bride and the groom rather, he's an Odogu Paran, if you know what I mean. Good money was spent. Everything was good, from their dress to the food to their decor. Everything was just handpicked. They picked from the best. And your girl did I came correct. If you understand what I mean, I came correct. My dress wasn't so revealing, but obviously we'll do it modest. But this is my lip. I came to show them that this girl was a makeup vendor before she decided to join the banking industry, and I didn't come to play. I didn't just come to play, okay? Our father is not Dangote, he's not Adeleke, but we all have to slay. We all have to look good for who our papa is and represent. So I think I'm talking too much. You guys just enjoy the flow, enjoy the wedding, just dance and blush from wherever you're watching. Okay, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At this point, you're not subscribed, but Guinea, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel. Help this girl. Let the channel grow. Let's get to the permanent site. If you understand what I mean. So with that being said, just enjoy the flow. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah. See my girl now. See, IG of the Most High. Huh? She was looking beautiful. She was the maid of honor. In case I didn't mention, she's the maid of honor. Her friend of, she said 20 something years and counting. That's women support. That's facts. You all know. So let me not talk too much. Bye.
Cynthia Funny! Yakubu, manage. If you are going to open church tomorrow, Cynthia Funny! Yakubu, manage. If you have children to take care of, Cynthia Funny! Yakubu, manage. Please, those of you at the back, please, can you just come?
I can't end this vlog without me mentioning the fact that bride, give your puppy a lap dance, and she was shy. I don't understand. And you told the old mummies 16 and I'm not 20 and above go home. Not 20. 40 and above go home. And tell me why the mummies were still in the house. Probably that's why the baby girl was so shy. So this was the after wedding party. You are doing a dance off versus those born from January to so year and those born from June so year. So dig it out and they ate. They shall ate. So officially come to the end of the video. If you watched to this point, you're the OG. Tell me the best part of the vlog and subscribe. Subscribe. Like, share, and comment. I'll see you guys. Mwah!